this was my performance, like my ads performance. So,
Just hold on to it. Just a second.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, the CPC is around 22. Okay. Can you also have the amount spent as well? Like sorted by amount spent. Just
Most time.
go on the left. Yeah, go on the left. There will be amount spent over there.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yeah.
just a second. Yeah, just sort it by amount spent. Click on amount spent so that it gets sorted in ascending order. Yeah, just click on it. Yeah, that's good. Now, just a second. Okay. Okay, now go on the right side and show me CPM, CTR, and everything. CPM. Yeah, just a second.
Done.
See, if I was you, I would have not cut down the second ad, which is Busty Man video. Sorry, not
Okay.
Busty. Sorry, Busy Man.
Yeah.
Okay. So now CPC, CTR, CPM is pretty low. This one. Okay, so tell me one thing. Can we see purchases? Where are the purchases? Like cost per result.
Okay. It's on like I was redirecting to them, like the destination is WhatsApp message. So that's what we were.
Okay, so over here the cost per result is 39, 54, 120. See, right now you're letting 122 and 92 run, but you have paused the one that was giving you 54. So why have you paused it?
Cost per lead, cost per result was high at the time. So that's why I just paused it.
So you paused the one that was giving you second best results because your lead cost because your what basically the lead quality was low, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Any reasoning behind that? Like if I was you, I would have paused the the last two instead of the first and second.
Yeah. Later I did both of them. Like I just stopped both of these and just restart this one. And what happened? Like we got result from this alone. Like 2025, the coach was in targeting for 25 seats. So we get result from this only. So my point is that like how I can reduce the CPL of this alone if I'll be like going ahead with this.
Instead of fighting against the curve, you need to accept the fate that this is gonna give you that much only. But go to the right side. Okay. If you can see that the CPM is pretty good on this one. What does that mean? That the CPM is pretty good. That means the first frame is good. The hook is good. Okay. That's what it tells you. And because of that, people are staying over here. So what you can do is you can use that learning while creating the new ad because now you definitely need new ad, maybe with new messaging or maybe with old messaging, but definitely with a newer template. But the template should have the similar hook like the way it is right now so that you get really good CPM. Your ad is struggling at this point of time at the CTR. That means definitely your call to action is not that good. So I would also work on the call to action of the second one. But to be honest, second one is pretty like much better than the third and fourth. So I would not worry that much about it. But definitely, I would try to improve the call to action over here because your CTR is just 0.39%. I would work with caption as well. I would try to have a few testimonials inside the caption so that it increases the trust and gets a lot more people to click on it because social proof is the easiest way to improve the CTR. So this is what I will do. As of now, it looks like conversion rate is not that big of a problem, but I can see pretty easily that that your cost per results are directly getting influenced only because of the CPC. So I would work on the CPC side a bit more. And also another thing is this is conversion rate. Why is conversion rate not a problem? Because you're running WhatsApp ads, so there is no landing page associated to it. So I don't worry you. So I'm not worrying much about the conversion rate as of now. And that's the reason why I would say that you need to work on your creatives. So if I was you, I would go ahead and create creatives that have different angles because I think only 4 ads are created as of now. So I would go ahead, watch the workshop. After watching the workshop, I'll have a lot of target audiences. Based on those target audiences, I'll have more customer personas. Based on those customer personas, I'll have more messaging angles. And then I'll work on those messaging angles. Hey, I hope you liked the video, and if it made you wonder whether your Facebook ads could be performing better, that's exactly what we help businesses figure out. Now, most of the time, the problem isn't obvious. It could be your strategy, your creatives, your tracking, or the way your account is being managed. So, if you want clarity on what's actually hurting performance, click the link in the description and book an audit. So, it's a paid audit because we take the time to properly review your account, identify the real bottlenecks, and do a proper diagnosis. So if you are running Facebook ads and want to know what is wrong with your account, then click the link below and book your audit. Also understand that this is a diagnosis call. We'll not be able to prescribe you the medicine over here. Okay. We'll just tell you what's wrong with your account. And if it makes sense, then we can explore the opportunity to work together. That's all. And it is paid because diagnosis does take time and it requires a lot of attention. So in order for you to be serious and us also to be serious, that's why it's a paid call. So if you are serious about scaling your Facebook ads, then click the link in the description and book the audit call right now.